No, it's Russia. There are a kind of sport named skimboarding. It isn't as much popular in Russia as it's popular in countries like USA or any other else having a warmer climate, especially in western Siberia, where we live and film our videos. You won't be able to find a board to buy here, only from Moscow or St. Petersburg via shipping options. But the cost of board will be significant because of dollar ruble rate and other factors. That's why we decided to make boards by our own. The process of making it is very simple and cheap. We had to spend less than $50 on both of our boards. Materials needed: 8mm thick plywood sheet, yacht varnish, spray paint. Tools needed: electric jigsaw, C-clamp, sandpaper and a holder for it. Draw any design of board on our plywood piece using pencil. You can find examples on the internet. Just draw lines 10 cm away from each other, for example 12 lines, and then mark centimeters on each line so to create the profile you want. Cutting a board from plywood sheet, noisy process. Don't forget to wear safety glasses and gloves. The boards are cut now. Profile isn't ideal, but it's okay. Making a kind of a pool to put our boards into with hot water added so to bend them, to make a concave. Making the pool full with the hot water. We have to wait for approximately 30 or 40 minutes before taking the boards out of the water. Taking the board out of the water. Installing boards to make them be bent into a new concaved profile. Dry them here for 3 days or for a week. Right after we found out, boards changed their profile completely and come dry. Abrasion in our board, so to make edges look like a smooth circles or ellipses. We don't need sharp rectangular edges. After completing all the process of abrasion and polishing of our boards, we needed to cover them with yacht varnish. Cover twice, first layer, second layer, and then give them time to dry again. We will be further cover them spray and spray paint using stencils. When you spray paint your board, you just need to turn your imagination on and do what you want. That's your design, your rules. After spray painting, we needed to cover the boards with yacht varnish again. It's June the 23rd, and now our boards are completely covered by 2 layers of yacht varnish, spray paint layer and yacht varnish layer again. And we can't publish a video without testing our boards, so waiting for a good weather to test them on the water.